Welcome back, Conway 29526, for your local market update for May of 2024. I just did the April because I was behind, and unfortunately, we dropped a little bit for May. So your average your average sales price was $335,163, dropped just a little bit from April, not much. And the average days on market went down a little bit, 118. It's actually the lowest it's been in 2024, so that's good news. And the average price is $141 per square foot. You could still see we always have a lot of because of all the building. We have 398 active listings, 171 pending, still selling like crazy, and 138 was almost exactly the same as last month. So anyways, if you're looking to buy or sell in Conway, please reach out to me. If you're looking for a lender, I can also help you with that. Thanks for watching and take care.